excited about it because I've never vlogged before. And the best part about this vlog is that I'm going to take you guys along with me. So do enjoy the whole ride and do comment below and let me know how you like this, my first vlog. So now without I doing much badbad, let's go. So this is the Worli Sea Link which links Bandra to Worli, and it is a cable stayed bridge in Mumbai. You have to pay a toll to enter this bridge, and only 4-wheelers are allowed on this bridge. 2-wheelers are not allowed, and the charges to enter the bridge differ if you're a light motor vehicle or you're a bus. And this bridge, the whole drive is 5.6 kilometers, but that does not matter because of the beautiful and breathtaking view of the sea that you get while driving along this bridge. This bridge is most useful for people who are coming from Virar Bhayandar side, and if they want to go to Churchgate, this bridge is really useful for them, where they can avoid the morning maddening crowd and the traffic jams that you get. And as you all can see, the view is really good, guys. It can really calm your mind. And these are the cables that I was talking about. You can see the cables and see those buildings out there. They really look, they are like in the clouds only. And there are some boats which I can see. I hope the camera is capturing it. The boats look so tiny. Isn't the view such a nice and calming view? And also it saves on your time to reach your destination. Oh, here the boats are. Can you all see it? They're all stranded like in the sea. Just look at the boats, so many of them. So many boats. Just look at the sea this side. I took some more clips so that you all can see the beautiful sea. And those are the rocks over there, if you all can see. And here the Worli Sea Link comes to an end. We are already out of the Worli Sea Link. Here's the entrance and the exit of Worli Sea Link. And this is a footpath near Worli Sea Link where people during morning and even evening time they do walks and they jog along the sea side. There are even rocks below over here. So just enjoy the view. So now we are arriving at another famous spot in Mumbai. You all can read by its name, it's Haji Ali. So this is one of the most famous dargahs in Mumbai, and it's a place of worship of the Muslims. It is surrounded on all the sides by water, and if you all want to visit this place, it is best to visit it when there's a low tide, because when there's a high tide, the whole pathway to the dargah is submerged underwater. So as you all can see, that's the dargah. So just bang opposite the dargah is the Hira Panna shopping center, where you would get a lot of imported product, and also the first copy designer products can be got over here. And the patch between Haji Ali and Chowpatty, there are two very important hospitals. One is the Jaslok hospital and one is the Bridge Candy hospital, which we did not go by that way, so I couldn't show that hospitals to you all. So this is Chowpatty. It's very famous for two reasons. One is the Visarjan that takes place over here of the Ganesh idols during Ganesh Chaturthi, and also the different pav bhaji, chaat, faluda that we get in the evening. This beach is comparatively empty right now because of the ongoing scenario, And opposite to this beach is a very old British era college, that is Wilson College. So this is the whole beach. So this is Cow Gully, another famous street eatery in Churchgate, where if you visit this place in the afternoon, it is jam-packed with office goers and college students, and you can get a variety of food items from Chinese to Indian to sandwiches to chaat to milkshakes to veg to non-veg, everything, but predominantly you get vegetarian foods over here. And the best part about the food over here is that it's always served piping hot and fresh. And from here I really love the pav bhaji. So this is the cross Maidan, where during normal times you would find children practicing and playing cricket matches over here. And just look at it now, it looks so deserted. And this pathway leads to Fashion Street. And the building onto which I am focusing right now is a Videsh Sanchar building. Just look at the field, guys. And the building opposite to it is the Bombay High Court Tower. This one. And the path which I showed you all earlier, which leads to Fashion Street. On Fashion Street you get a lot of clothes, from dresses to kurtis to jeans to jeggings to jackets to shirts, t-shirts, tops and everything at very reasonable rates, and the quality also is quite good of the products out there. So this is the Metro Theatre, which is also a British era theatre. Here you all can see the metro. And opposite, as you all can see, is a Jair Mahal, where many of the Goan clubs are also there, and also the famous bakeries Kayani is also in that only building, where the pudding is very famous. This is the Saint Xavier School building, and you get it on your way while walking towards Crawford Market. If you go walking towards Crawford Market, you will get this Saint Xavier School. And now here we have reached Crawford Market. The crowd is too much today. I thought with the ongoing scenario there would be nobody over here, but anyways, here you can get everything from a pin to an elephant, but don't go searching for an elephant. It was just a hypothetical statement. And there are different lanes over here for plastics, for stationery items, for your notebooks, and many more things. Electronics are there. Everything, there's a different lane. Even you can get artificial flowers if you want for a background or something. You can get even that over here. And this is Badshah cold drink, where the Badshah Falooda is very famous, so you do give it a try. And you can see that white building out there. Isn't it looking pretty? Just look at it. The architecture is so pretty. That is the Lotus building. Just admire it, guys. And this is the famous Nehru Planetarium. I'm sure in our childhood, all of us must have visited this place at least once to see the planets and the stars show what they have. I don't know if they have it still, but here is a Nehru Planetarium. And with this, we come to an end to the vlog. If you like this vlog, do hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell. And if you all have any more vlog suggestions or any other video suggestions, do let me know in my comment section below. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye.